You've watched lots of videos on how to be taller, smell better, and actually glow up, but still got no results? Then this is the last video you'll watch to actually glow up, because these 5 habits keep you away from your goal. I'm not going to waste your time. Let's get straight into it. 1. Constantly comparing yourself. You scroll through social media, see guys with perfect faces, perfect skin, perfect lives, and instantly think, I'll never look like that. That thought alone kills your progress, because when you compare yourself 24/7, you stop focusing on your glow up and start chasing someone else's highlight reel. You don't see their lighting, filters, genetics, or years of work, you just see the final product. The fix? Compare yourself only to your past self. Take a photo today and another in a month. That's your real competition. When you stop competing with strangers and start improving yourself, that's when results finally show. 2. Being passive. Watching self-improvement videos feels productive, but it's not. You can know every skincare routine, every gym secret, every glow-up hack, but if you don't apply them, you'll stay exactly the same. Being passive gives your brain the illusion of progress without the results. The fix is simple. Stop consuming, start doing. Don't wait for the perfect time. There's never going to be one. Pick one thing from each of my videos and do it today. Even a small action, controlling your posture or being more outside, is better than doing nothing. Action beats perfection every single time. 3. Not being consistent. You got motivated and tried following some tips for one day. You started with energy, but then after 1 week you completely forgot about doing them. This is where most people fail. Glow-ups don't happen from one gym session or one skincare routine. They come from consistency. Think about it. One shower won't make you clean forever, right? You gotta keep showing up. Your body, your face, your mindset, they all respond to repetition. 4. Complaining instead of solving. Most people spend more time complaining about their situation than fixing it. They say, I have bad genetics, I don't have money, I don't have time. But here's the truth. Complaining is just a way to avoid responsibility. When you complain, nothing changes. When you act, everything does. So every time you want to complain, ask yourself, what can I do about it right now? Even if it's small, doing push-ups at home, learning to cut your own hair, improving posture, do it. Results come not from talking about problems, but from solving them. 5. Needing validation for every decision. This one silently kills confidence. If you're asking 5 different people before changing your haircut or outfit, you're training your brain to doubt itself. Real glow-ups happen when you rely on yourself. Make decisions fast and own them. Try that new haircut. Wear that outfit. Walk with confidence even if no one compliments you. Break those 5 habits and your glow-up becomes inevitable. If you want more no BS guides like this, subscribe and watch the next video here. Peace.